Let's talk about the cost of using BigQuery. By using BigQuery, you're going to be charged for three main things: data storage, storing your tables and datasets inside BigQuery; streaming inserts. This applies when you are sending real-time data to Google BigQuery; and querying data, running SQL queries. You're not going to be charged by importing data or exporting data. However, Google BigQuery has a free tier, and we're going to talk about this right now. The free tier of Google BigQuery gives you 10 gigabytes of storage monthly and 1 terabyte of queries monthly. If you exceed these limits, then you're going to be charged based on the prices here in the red panel. For storage, you're going to be charged $0.02 per gigabyte added per month. And for queries, you're going to be charged $6.25 per terabyte scan. However, most marketers pay nothing because the free tier gives them enough storage and enough queries. Now, we're going to deep dive a little bit more on how storage and queries are charged, because BigQuery has two different paths for each of those. Regarding storage, Google BigQuery has a differentiation between active data and long-term data. What's the difference? Long-term data, it's data that remains the same for at least more than 90 days. Depending on this, you will be charged $0.02 gigabytes per month for active data and $0.01 per gigabyte monthly for long-term data. For queries, they have two paths. On demand, you're going to be charged $6.25 per terabyte scan. This is pretty useful for occasional use. And a flat rate. This is a fixed monthly cost. Additionally to the free tier, if you are a new user, you're going to get $300 to use. Be aware that these prices can be changed at any time by BigQuery, so we recommend you to look at their documentation. In the next video, we're gonna learn what is an ETL.